are here at Ashley Robello's under his office. We're trying to get some clothes sorted for the wedding for myself. And मेरे मोराल से पता लग रहा है how excited I am. And of course Priyanka has forced herself कि वो आएगी because she's such a control freak over the clothes.
Not at all. I just don't.
Yeah,
I just want him to look like a
See, don't want
Punjabi
it's not your.
truck driver, which is fine. There's nothing against him. But he's not driving a truck on that way.
I'd like to sit in a truck and run away from you. How about that?
I'd like to sit in a truck and run over you. How about that? No, I didn't mean that. I
People get hate mail.
No! Nahi! Very annoying.
The whole piece. And behind you just be like the other option is that you just do like a border to the which doesn't.
We're here to meet Ashley. Ashley actually did our clothes in London Dreams. And ever since, we've had a great taco and now it's my wedding time. I think one of the outfits should definitely be made by him. Basically, the Mehndi outfit is what I'm looking at because it's going to be a little, we'll have to, I think, it's not a,
I'm not saying anything.
she's already,
I've already told you to be quiet until.
oh, you can give your
No, I'm
input.
only kidding.
You know how when the Bhangra troops go, of course they wear really loud colors, but the traditional Punjabi thing is to wear Punjabi juttis with a lungi and a kurta and a waist jacket, which is not like the Nehru jacket, the band one, right? It's and a headgear. So headgear is off. And the thing is, if I'm the only one that turns up in a proper Punjabi gear, the girls all are wearing lehengas and parandis, the boys will all wear kurtas at the end of the day. It has to be Punjabi, but just in case nobody else comes, I don't want to be the guy whose wedding it is and look like a joker.
Why don't you wear like a Pathani in some wedding?
Okay.
Which is also very Punjabi.
You can sketch also.
What do you mean?
We would be a little worried if he couldn't. That's okay.
What's happened is every function that I go to, there are guys wearing kurtas and this band gala of a
Yeah, I know.
sleeveless jacket.
know.
This can't be the same. This is that the U-cut kind of
Yeah, but this is like this, not
and it's
not
shorter.
And it's shorter. And
Much
it's-
shorter because that comes till here.
That comes
So
right
it'll-
till here. This
yeah.
is like much shorter till about here. Just
See, can I tell you, more than the collars, I prefer these kind of,
Ajay, you prefer the round neck?
than the collar.
But
I
see,
know it's but
yeah, but collar तो हमारे पास कितने 50 हो गए यार. Collar-
The only
I
thing
mean,
is what he's saying is that with that collar and the Pathani look, it will look different for that. It will look like
my
a
wedding, I don't want
it'll
to
look like
get a
a
kurta that I can again wear. Is that the motive? We have 8 of them. How's a Nehru neck one Punjabi at all?
because it's still higher up.
But it's
The
not.
collar gives you the same height. You're not, collars are not going to show. It's going to look exactly like a Nehru. Because you're going to have the waistcoat like this. This is what's going to happen. If you have the collars,
it's like a
that's what,
Chinese collar.
it's going to look like that.
I don't know. You take it.
Okay, make
You
two
take a
styles.
I'll make two styles.
You know how Italians do? Italians will never have that collar sticking out like
The
those.
Italians are also like
Italians
not,
know fashion. They know
So?
fashion. But what I'm saying is,
they don't know Punjabi fashion.
no, but
Why you?
collared shirts is an English thing. Either you dress like in that style,
But
or then
I'm
you wear
not dressing. I'm dressing
But
like a
I
Pathani
understand
suit,
that, but
like
now-
Indians
but
do.
you're not a
like
Pathan either.
Punjabis do.
You're a Sardar.
Yeah, but Sardars dress up like this with the collars out.
And
You
for
only
your
wear it.
own good. This is for your own, for the future of, as you always say, your children. This is for your children to look back and be like, Daddy looks so cool in the mehndi, not like
I don't
Daddy.
care about
What the hell we were. It's true.
what my kids have to think. I don't have. It's not about.
You hear how many times he says Priyanka?
Yeah.
This is the future of it.
Priyanka, it's not about what clothes I wear that they think that
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Okay? It'll be about what we are about, what we do. You think my kids are going to think that I'm cool because I wore a thing where the collar didn't come out? That's what Italians probably think about. Oh, my kid when he grows up, what the collar is in. I will see you.
Okay, my dear. Take
So
you, my dear.
Thank you so much. I was on your mind.
Take care.
So much.
Take care. Designing something for his wedding means a lot to me, and I hope it does mean a lot to him too. And I don't think there was much of a debate on anything, but I just thought that he'd look really nice in a typical Punjabi Pathani, and we tweak it here and there. So it's going to be a surprise for everybody.
एशली को मिलने के बाद हम लोग नरेंद्र कुमार को मिलने गए. आई थिंक हिज स्टाइल एंड माई स्टाइल गो वेल टुगेदर. तो बहुत ऐप्ट था कि मेरी शादी के दिन के एक फंक्शन में मैं ऐसे कपड़े पहनूं जो नरेंद्र कुमार ने स्टाइल किया.
So your theme is lace.
It's champagne, it's lace, but it's the whole look is like champagne gold, light cream, like mix of colors. And the theme on that day is baby pink, cream, white and gold. Like
So sorry, you said it's baby pink?
the theme of the wedding is the decor, everything is baby pink,
Right.
cream and gold.
Cream and gold.
White and gold.
जब बातें शुरू हुई कि मैं क्या पहनूंगा, उसमें क्या डिज़ाइन होगा, प्रियंका टुक ओवर एंड मेरा काम वहाँ से आसान हो गया. तो आई एंजॉयड द सैलड दैट आई हैड एंड नरेंद्र एंड प्रियंका वर डूइंग द वर्क.
He wears the weirdest colors like on a daily basis. But since he's met me in life, I think he's sobered down somewhat because when I'm not there, I think he still goes crazy.
Also,
Great stuff that
Everybody in the
And his
Gurdwara is wearing
Pink.
stuff. So
It's got to be. So then, okay, so beige and
I think the beige
beige and
and
gold work. Beige and gold will look nice.
because
It's about
But you know,
25 years
can I
old.
tell you the classic is what I really like.
No?
I find this a Chinese look all the way down. I find it can be too. I really like the classic.
Yeah. No, so let me get this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can choose
If
one.
you know, we're flying out both of us. I'm flying out. Can you get anything by Monday, Tuesday? Saturday?
She's very fussy, you know, really. And she only has her way. That's what she's doing. So it's going to be a really tough job because she knows exactly what he wants. I'll be looking at a Sherwani for his main function. That would complement what she's wearing at the wedding.
What did he say? That he better deal with what? What did he say? I've heard everything, everything.
Nothing but the truth you get from me.
He really loves me. Secretly, he loves me. Okay, see?
See you, darling.
Bye.
Bye.
मैं अभी बाहर आया हूँ अपने दूसरे डिज़ाइनर से मिलकर और यहाँ पर मैंने अपनी बाइक पार्क करी थी. बाइक वहाँ पर है नहीं. You guys must be wondering कि मैं पैनिक क्यों नहीं कर रहा because I can see chalk mark. बॉम्बे में क्या होता है कि अगर आपने कहीं नो पार्किंग के एरिया में कहीं पार्क किया होगा तो वहाँ पे वो उठा के ले जाते हैं, नीचे लिख कर जाते हैं कि कहाँ पे हो गई आपकी बाइक. So it's been told. Let's go see कहाँ पे है. कार ट्रैफिक. So basically मेरे को एक अपनी बाइक लेने जाना पड़ेगा. मैं ऋषभ, अब तुम मेरे साथी हो. लेट्स गो गेट द बाइक. क्या है? बाइक लूटनी थी.
काम कम था हमारे पास जो बाइक भी चलेगी.
सीरियसली नॉट सो वर्क मैन. इंडिया में कोई भी काम कराना हो ना, बिजली, पानी, गवर्नमेंट, ऐसा फीलिंग आता है कि यार लोग थोड़े इनएफिशिएंट हैं और काम जल्दी नहीं होता. लेकिन एक डिपार्टमेंट है इंडिया में, कभी गाड़ी गलत पार्क करके देखना, आप मुंह उधर करोगे ना तब तक गाड़ी टो हो जाएगी. सो दीज गाइज गेट माई मेडल फॉर द मोस्ट एफिशिएंट डिपार्टमेंट इन इंडिया. उसके बाद जो हमारी जो वेडिंग है उसको फिल्म करेंगे.
I love the old. For me, I'm an olden day person. The classic videos. Like today, I watched my parents' wedding video, where it's just like one long video where you see everybody. You can hear what they're talking. You can hear everything. I like that. This new age television to me is so like filmy, over the top filmy.
It's basically capturing the moment. We're not creating moments here. We're not creating the. Basically, we're capturing whatever's happening.
I'd like to go for a walk with you. Generally at the beach, if it happens, cover it. That's it.
I'm going to be coming with the chunni over my head, I guess, and my brothers or whoever bringing me out from the rooms. Now, when we're there, someone can walk you through every event. My event planner will tell you.
फिल्म थी इस रात की सुबह नहीं, वैसे ही मेरा दिन चल रहा था, इस दिन का अंत ही नहीं. सो मेरे 2-3 मिनट में मेरे लिए मीटिंग ओवर थी बिकॉज उनका काम अच्छा था, हमने देख लिया था. दैट्स व्हाई वी मीटिंग देम एंड इट वाज सपोज्ड टू बी डन, बट इट वेंट ऑन and on and on and on and on. But Priyanka wanted to make sure of everything. It's good, yeah. She gets into everything and she takes care of a lot of things. जो मेरी responsibility या मेरे काम को भी वो पूरी तरीके से she undertakes it and she does it. So I think शादी के बाद भी बहुत सारे ऐसे काम जो मैं करता हूँ वो शायद आसान हो जाएंगे because Priyanka will take care of them. We have a chill out one. So
Thank you so much.
we also